Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you got Tellurium hexafluoride. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should find the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. V is valency. Tellurium is from sulfur group, so valency is 6 and fluorine atoms are 6. So if you substitute in the formula, you have 6 plus 6 minus 0 whole divided by 2, which gives H equals 6, and lone pair will be calculated from H minus B. So the lone pair also 0. So H6 means sp3d2 hybridization, which is perfect octahedral, and you have 6 bonded atoms. Here the bonded atoms are 6 and H also 6. So there is no lone pair, means the structure is octahedral. So the shape of tellurium hexafluoride is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.